Welcome to this video. An 18-year-old security flaw in Firefox and Chrome exploited in attacks, though I should point out, as clarified by PC Mag, this affects any Chromium-based web browser. So this includes Safari, Firefox, Chrome, and other Chromium-based web browsers like Edge, Brave. And there are multiple sources reporting on this serious threat, but a vulnerability disclosed 18 years ago allows malicious websites to bypass security in Google Chrome or Chromium-based web browsers, Firefox, Safari, and interact with services on the local network. It should be noted that this only affects Linux and macOS devices, does not work on Windows. Threat actors can exploit this flaw to remotely change settings, gain unauthorized access to protected information, and in some cases achieve remote code execution. So this is a serious exploit or flaw. And the worst part about it was reported or has been known about since 2008. It's important to point out that this is not just a theoretical exploit, it's actively being exploited. And it looks like, at least currently, they're primarily targeting AI development, though that could easily change. And there are a few different ways to initiate this attack. One is a malicious link sent via email. I've warned about this multiple times on this channel. Just be very, very careful always about clicking on links or attachments in emails, or even sent via other methods like SMS or any sort of messaging. Another case uses JavaScript, which then sends requests, and those are routed to a Selenium grid server, enabling the attack. And Oligo, hope I'm saying that correct, has reported that there's been an uptick in the number of public websites communicating with this last month, which has now reached 100,000, which is probably why this is getting some attention now and wasn't resolved in years past. Google Chrome is taking action. They will push an update which will help alleviate this issue in version 128. Mozilla is working on a temporary fix, but no rollout date is provided as of right now. And Apple has implemented additional IP checks on Safari via changes on the WebKit. So in short, you're going to, as I've stated multiple times on this YouTube channel, you need to keep your browsers up to date and your OS up to date. And that's really why I want to share this, one for a warning, but also just to reiterate and illustrate the importance of using supported devices so that you can receive security updates on the operating system, whether that's for a mobile device or a desktop device, a laptop, whatever you're using. But also, it's very important that you keep your web browsers up to date. A lot of people avoid updates in their web browsers because it's inconvenient, but you're really missing out on security patches that you need. And even though you may consider yourself a small target or a low priority target, you should still be doing this because you just never know. That is everything for this video. If you have any comments or questions, please post them down below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and please consider sharing it. And if you would like to support the channel, go ahead and hit that join button, the subscribe button, the thanks button, or that bell notification icon to get notifications on future videos. Thank you very much for watching. Hope you have a great day.